Did you know during World War I, the food soldiers ate were generally made of poor quality? After a long day of battle, a common dinner for the Western Front soldier was usually hardtack, an army biscuit, and creamed beef.
Hey guys, what is up? And welcome back to Oh Crap, and today we are cooking on the Western Front. Now by that, I mean we are cooking two staple dishes from the Western Front. We are cooking hardtack, and what else are we cooking, Lorraine?
Creamed beef.
Creamed beef. Now, let's move over to Lorraine and find out what is on the ingredients list.
For hardtack, you're going to need shortening, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and milk.
Thank you so much for the ingredients there, Lorraine. Okay, so let's get into cooking this. So Lorraine, what is the first step we take?
The directions say heat the oven to 450. So
right now, we're going to be taking the shortening and we're going to be putting one-third of it into this cup and pouring it into the bowl. Is that right with the directions, Lorraine?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So as you can see, I'm pouring the shortening into the bowl. Now, Lorraine, after I'm finished pouring the shortening, what is the next thing on our list?
So you're going to put...
So we've just finished putting in the shortening, and now we've added 1 cup and 3/4 of flour into the mixture.
And now you want to put 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder.
Okay, so we put most of our ingredients in, as you can see here, and we're about to put the final 2 ingredients. So how do we put them, Lorraine?
3/4 teaspoon of salt. And now you put 3/4 cup of milk.
Okay guys, so we just finished putting in all the ingredients, and now we're going to stir it up and make it into a beautiful dough, and then we're going to put it in the oven.
Stir in just enough milk so the dough leaves sides on a bowl and forms a ball. Too much milk makes dough sticky, not enough makes biscuits dry.
Okay, so we finished putting all the ingredients together, we're stirring it, and I'm currently kneading the dough. Now Lorraine's prepping the thing so she can flatten the dough once it's finished kneading. And they say it's about good. So, you may flatten that. Now remember to roll it into 1/2 inch thick. So now we're going to roll out the dough until it's 1/2 inch thick. As you can see, we got some dough escaping on the side there. So now we finished flattening the dough to 1/2 inch. So using our cookie cutter, we're going to make them into little shapes here. And then proceed to put them on the tray. Lorraine, would you like to take over cookie cutting?
Sure.
Okay. Now after you've made enough holes, but you feel like you still have enough dough, but you can't make any more cuts, what you do then is you mash up the dough all again, and then you flatten it all over again, and repeat the process until there is no dough left. So, we just finished using the cookie cutter to make these little biscuits, and as you can see, they look delicious already. So we're going to pop them in the oven, and after these ones are finished, we're going to make a little bit more, and then put them in the oven, and we'll show you guys all again when we're finished. Till then, see you. Okay guys, so while we're having the biscuits in the oven right now, they're cooking away, we have some meat cooking on the stove. As you can see here, we got some delicious looking beef. Now, what are we making, Lorraine?
Creamed beef. You'll need a pound of beef, some milk, and flour.
Creamed beef. That sounds delicious. I can't wait to make it. So what's the first step here?
Fry hamburger in skillet on medium heat until it's well done.
Okay, we've done that step. What's the next step?
Do not remove the grease. Add the flour to the meat when it's still on heat.
Okay, Lorraine, how much flour do we add?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Okay, would you like to add flour?
Sure.
Okay. Great job. As you can see, she just did a great job of putting the flour into the mixture. Now, what we're doing is putting milk in and now complete it. So, Lorraine, how much milk do we add?
1 cup.
1 cup of milk. Would you like to pour this milk?
Sure.
Okay, we got 1 cup of milk. Ooh, it fills right to the brim.
And now you have to slowly add the milk.
Okay, so right now I'm about to pour in the milk. And I really hope it doesn't come back and sizzle on me. So back to Lorraine. So Lorraine, what is going to happen?
Continue to cook on medium heat until all flour is dissolved, creating a smooth gravy.
So what we want to do is we want to stir until we like how it is. And then we're going to put it on our biscuits, which are almost finished, and it's going to taste amazing. Stay tuned until the final product.
Now you want to remove from heat and serve over hard biscuits. Serves for.
Thank you guys for tuning back in, and I'm just about to pull out the biscuits from the oven here. Just 43 more seconds. Let's take them out now. So as you can see, I've just taken these biscuits out of the oven and they shifted around a little bit, but they look amazing. So, let's get some on a plate. So here we are guys, we finished everything. We got some amazing creamed beef on the side here. We got our amazing biscuits. And this just looks delicious. But I must acknowledge that they did not have the ingredients and stuff we had back then, and they did go through very hard times having to eat improvised food in the trenches and other places. So I must say we are very, very lucky that we have this amazing ingredients and stuff today. And I have to say, this does look delicious.